You're seeing now the power of Laravel, right? Just a little bit. This is just the tip of the iceberg, all right? We haven't really encountered really powerful features yet. You're gonna fall in love with this framework and you're never gonna leave it apart. Plus, you're gonna learn so much here that you are going to be able to apply this knowledge in the real world and make some serious cash and advance in your career. So keep going, don't get discouraged, and keep positive. All right, be happy. All right, so let's go and pass in some data to our blade views and process it. So let's say, for example, I'm in post controller here, and let's create actually in contact. Let's just do something here. Let's just call this I don't know, people. All right, and I'm gonna put myself in there, of course, and Jose is always around, and James, but that guy is new, and Peter is always around in my courses. Who else is in my courses? We got Mexico in here. All right, I'm not from Mexico, guys, but I love Mexico and I love every country out there that has beautiful people like my students. But anyway, so let's pass in some information here. Let's use our compact native PHP function, and actually let's pass in people here, the variable people. Let's just do people like this. All right, this is an array now, right? Keep that in mind. So this array is going to get passed on with all these values in here, which is pretty cool. You haven't seen that yet. So I'm going to show you in a minute how that works. So let's go to our post, no, actually our contact page. And right here on content, what we're going to be doing here is displaying all this information. I know this contact page has nothing to do with what we're doing, but I just wanted to use this as an example. So let's just use an if statement with Blade. Add symbol if. So most of this stuff with Blade is using add symbols. All right, this control structures or if statements or for loops. So if, and then you ended up with another add symbol and if. And you can see in PHP Storm that it gives you the rest of the functionalities or the functions, all right, which is pretty cool, guys. All right, so and if. So I'm gonna use the function count, which is a native PHP function, and I'm gonna count the array. So if I have something in people, all right, I'm gonna use a for loop, actually a for each loop, to loop through that. So I'm gonna say for each. I'm gonna end this for each and for each. You see how you just spell things, what you want to do? All right, and I'm gonna loop through people as a person. All right, and I'm gonna use the li tag, and I'm gonna do the curly brackets because that's how we echo things out. And I'm gonna say person in here. But let's make sure that we have that ul tag right here. All right, so right here, and now if this variable has some type of data there, we're gonna display it right there. So that's gonna be pretty fun, right, guys? Enter. Look at that. But we still have this in the footer, which is this script tag. So let's just comment that out. And I just selected everything and press command forward slash or control forward slash, and it will do that for me. As you can see, we are echoing everything out. All right. Now, if I go and empty this out, let's go to the post controller and let's just comment all this. And let's go back and click enter. Undefined variable people. It's looking for people, but it doesn't find it. All right. And that's in the contact blade. All right. As you can see, what we're going to do is let's just leave it empty. All right. Like this. So we don't get no errors. Now, enter. Nothing there. If we put anything here, enter, we display some type of information. So I hope you see how useful our Blade template engine is, which is pretty cool, and we're gonna be using this a lot when we are creating our application. All right, so make sure that you get this down. All right, we also have include, add include, all right, to include files in our application using this. Pretty cool stuff. All right, there's a lot more information on the web about Blade templating engine. If you want to look it up, you're welcome to do it, but you're going to be learning a lot of stuff here in this course. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Keep having fun, guys. Keep coding, drink some coffee, and just have fun. Take care.